Yes, Aditya.
Sir, by moving the
Yes.
H1 white white king to G2.
No, there is, you have to play with the black pieces and not white pieces. It is black's turn. Yeah, it is black's turn.
So
And black
sir,
has to move.
G3
Yes, yes.
to G2.
King to G2 is not allowed. ये king
No,
दूसरे king को मारेगा.
black.
Black king, na? Black king cannot move to G2. Black king cannot move to G2 because white
Sir,
king will kill that pawn. Pawn to G2. Perfect. That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer because now this is a check. Absolutely yes. And king cannot move anywhere. Good one, Aditya. Very good.
Sir, I've seen pawn.
Yeah, pawn. So you say only pawn. Okay. White to move and play the move which stops the check. Who will answer? Ashit, can you answer this?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
king will go in H1.
Will go in H1. No. यहाँ पर अगर किंग H1 को गया ना तो भी ये तो चेक कंटिन्यूस है ही बिकॉज चेक गोज स्ट्रेट तो आप चेक के लाइन में नहीं रह सकती. एनी अदर थिंग अशित? वेट आदित्य.
F2.
F2. F2 is perfect. King will move to F2. Perfect. Very good. Now here, see, first question, what is that? Can you kill this attacker? No, you cannot kill. Then second is block. Now this can come and block, but is it good? Is it useful? No, because this will get killed and check continues. So आपका piece खाली पे ले जाएगा. Unnecessary, what we see. Then this also can come. Here, rook will take the queen and you will take the rook. Like you are using a big piece to stop the check. And when you have some other method available, which is very cheap, that is just moving away, run away. Simple. So that is a correct, you have done a correct, very good. Next, black to move and give checkmate. This little difficulty is there now. Who will answer? Raise your hands. Riya ka हाथ ऊपर ही है. Riya, you will be the last. No, Riya, no. You will be the last. If nobody is able to answer, then only I will ask you. Till that time, you can write down the answer or you can tell the answer to your mama and we will see in the end. Yeah, black to play and black to give checkmate. It is a one move and checkmate to white king.
Sir, can I see the answer?
Who is that?
Aditya.
Aditya. Okay, Aditya, tell me.
Sir, Black queen to e3.
Black queen to e3. Here. If this is the check, then king will simply escape over here. Anybody else? Ishan, can you tell me?
Sir,
Yes.
the queen will move to f3.
Then we'll move to f3. There is a
Sir?
support. Very good. And check is there. Yes. But king will come over here. Escape. Sidhu,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Um, सर ये किंग
Shall I tell?
Who is that? Shashwat. Shashwat, tell me.
Sir, queen go to g2.
Yes, correct. Very much correct. Queen goes to g2. There is a support. Since there is a support, king cannot kill. And king cannot come over here, cannot over here, not over here, not over here, and even not over here also. These two places where king could have gone already occupied by family members of white. So white cannot move over there. So because of his own pieces, white is getting defeated. So here what black is doing, black is taking advantage of white's piece position. अगर यहाँ पर ये नहीं है ना, तो ये चेकमेट कभी नहीं हो सकता है. फिर ये चेकमेट करने के लिए किंग को लास्ट लाइन में ही जाना पड़ेगा, या तो दिस लाइन में. नहीं तो परंतु पूछ लो नहीं. रिया, दिस वाज योर आंसर. Riya, was this your answer? Same? She is not responding. Geli kude? No. Yes, 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 correct. See, very good. So, this last line is very important, or border line. That time you can give checkmate like this. But when it is in the middle somewhere and you have to checkmate, it is not possible without help of other pieces. See here, this is checkmate only if somebody is over here. This over here and this over here. Fine. So king cannot escape. Or even this over here. King cannot escape. Sorry, not, I am making mistake. This and this, sorry. King cannot escape. Even if now white is having queen, still white is checkmated because of the bad position of the pieces. One more problem we will take. Who has not spoken so far? If I have missed anybody. श्लोक हो गया, सिद्धू हो गया, आशित हो गया, श्रेया हो गई, ऋषभ हो गया, ईशान हो गया, वैभव नहीं है. Yeah, everybody has spoken, no issues. So let me see who takes his hand first. Okay, this is the position, black to move and move to stop the check. Look at the position.
Sir,
is
what
giving
was the
check?
question?
Question is black is getting a check. Somebody is giving check. That somebody also you have to find out. And
Sir,
you stop
rook.
that check.
The
Yeah,
white
rook
rook.
is giving check. Yeah, rook is giving check. That is true. Now you have to find. Yeah, anybody can give. You just have to raise the. You raise the hand.
Sir, E7, Queen to E6.
Wrong answer. What
Sir.
somebody said? This. This is the wrong answer. Anybody else?
Sir,
Sir,
Ria?
sir,
Yes, Shashwat. Shashwat. Shashwat.
key goes to D5.
D5 is also wrong answer because this is there. Yeah, pawn is there. You cannot come over there. Yes, Ashit.
Sir, sir, the king
Ashit.
will go in. Sir, the king will go on C5.
C5 here. This is also wrong answer because there is a bishop.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, yes, Ria. Yes, Ria.
Yes. Black knight. Black knight will move E5.
E5. E5 is not possible. Black knight cannot come to E5. Here, black knight cannot come.
E6.
E6. Yes, black knight can come to E6, and that is the right answer. Now, because now it is blocked, and ये छोटा piece है, ये बड़ा piece है, तो छोटा piece block करना है. Why I said this is not correct? Because ये बड़ा piece है, ये तो सीधा मारेगा ना, मतलब ही नहीं है फिर आपके 10 पॉइंट जाएंगे. तो अगर कोई चारा नहीं है, ब्लैक मेट हो रहा है अगर, तो आपका अगर क्वीन गया तो चलेगा. लेकिन यहाँ पर मेट तो नहीं हो रहा है, ये बीच में आ रहा है, तो इसके लिए आपको छोटा पीस, हाँ मारेगा तो भी उस नुकसान व्हाइट का होगा. अगर मार भी दिया तो भी नुकसान किसका है? 5 पॉइंट के अगेंस्ट 3 पॉइंट्स, तो व्हाइट का नुकसान. एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टूड दिस?
yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. आज वैभव नहीं है, मिसिंग हिम. वैभव नाही आहे आणि त्या आरव आणि आहेत ना अर्णव, ते दोघं नाही आले. So we are going for last problem. Today's problem number 46. Please write it. Somebody please write it. Problem 46 is the last problem. Yeah. White to move and play the move which gives checkmate. I'm little bit modifying this position for question is same, but I'm little bit modifying the situation. I'm just keeping this over here. That's all. Now you tell me.
Sir, D4, Queen to 7, G7.
That is right answer. Is there another answer? This is the right answer. King के सर के ऊपर जाके बैठो with the support. So that is the right answer. Very good. Is there any possibility of other answer?
Sir,
Yes.
the queen will move to D8.
Perfect. Perfect. This is the right answer. And why I did this purposely? In our problem, the queen was placed over here and I made the modification over here. And this is the second answer. And why I did is, this also position comes very often in the game. Not every time you will get chance to give check like this. Not possible.
Sir, one query I have.
But यहाँ से आप चेक बहुत बार दे सकते हो. This is called as a back rank checkmate. Please write in your notebook. This is called as back rank mate. जब सबसे पीछे वाला जो रैंक है वो रैंक में से अगर क्वीन ने या रुक, यहाँ पर रुक भी दे सकता है, फिर भी ये चेकमेट ही है. आपको क्वीन ही चाहिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि ये ऊपर वाले जो 3 स्क्वायर है जहां पर किंग आ सकता है, ये तीनों स्क्वायर इसने पकड़ लिए हैं, नहीं आ सकता. बराबर राजा के सामने आपका राजा रहेगा तो तीनों स्क्वायर को ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes, please ask me.
Sir, if the king comes near to the another king, then what will happen?
Yeah, your query is if this comes near this, whose
Yes.
chance will be next? Next is white. अभी black खेला है, next white का chance है, white इसको मार देगा, बात खत्म. So who wins?
Sir, when what chances played, then game is
That
draw.
is, that is because each king has jurisdiction or can control these squares, right? उसके बाजू वाला हर square वो control करते हैं. वैसे ही this king also controls this. Okay, that means कोई भी king एक दूसरे के ज्यादा नजदीक आ ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि दूसरा king मारेगा. अगर ये पोजीशन आती है और ये नहीं है, कोई भी नहीं है, then this is a draw, because nobody can give check. Nobody can give check. चेक देने के लिए पीस ही चाहिए. आप एक किंग दूसरे किंग को चेक नहीं दे सकता. वो हो जाएगा, अगर चेक देने के लिए जाएगा तो बोलेगा मुझे चेक देता है, मैं ही तेरे को मारता हूं. So this will happen. तो चेक देना पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Okay.
ठीक है? Yeah.
And game
Good.
is also draw.
Yeah, this is a draw, क्योंकि दोनों के पास this particular draw is called as without any winning material available. यहाँ पर एक स्पेसिफिकली उसे बोलते हैं किस तरह से. यहाँ ड्रॉ क्यों है? दोनों के पास विनिंग मटेरियल नहीं है. मटेरियल मीन्स दिस ऑल अदर पीसेस आर मटेरियल, विनिंग मटेरियल, with the help of which you checkmate your opponent. Winning, even now, if this is the position, still this is a draw, क्योंकि अकेला पीस, छोटा अकेला पीस इसको चेकमेट नहीं कर सकता. राजा साथ में हो तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन चेकमेट नहीं होता है. अगर ये रहेगा तो भी चेकमेट नहीं होता है. हाँ, ये रहेगा तो चेकमेट होता है, ये रहेगा तो 100% चेकमेट होता है. Only rook and queen can checkmate opponent with the help of king. अगर छोटा मटेरियल चाहिए तो आपको कम से कम 2 चाहिए. ये 2 चेकमेट कर सकते हैं, ये 2 चेकमेट कर सकते हैं, और ये 2 भी चेकमेट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 2 पीसेस चाहिए. You got it? ये चेकमेट बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. ये चेकमेट कैसे हो जाएगा? ये चेकमेट, एक ने ये जगह पकड़ी है, ओके, और ये जगह पकड़ी है, और एक ने चेक दिया है. सो दिस इज अ चेकमेट. दिस इज अ चेकमेट पोजीशन. ये यहाँ भी चलेगा, या यहाँ भी चलेगा, कहीं भी चलेगा, इवन यहाँ भी चलेगा, क्योंकि ये चेक है और इसने ये पकड़ा है, इसने ये पकड़ा है. अगर बिशप रहेगा तो ये चेकमेट है. बिशप से चेक है, इसने ये पकड़ा है और इसने ये पकड़ा है. हर एक ने अलग अलग, वो कॉर्नर में ही चेकमेट हो जाएगा. 2 बिशप है तो कहीं भी चेकमेट होता है.
Sir, and even I have played with computer. Sometimes many coins of R is there, and computer doesn't have any coins. Then game is draw.
Then it is, computer doesn't have any coin and you have many coins, then you should win. This is a checkmate.
Game is draw.
यहाँ पर यहाँ पर नॉट नेसेसरी कि कॉर्नर में है. No, this is not a checkmate still. Sorry. कॉर्नर में ही जाना पड़ता है. या कॉर्नर में ही जाना पड़ता है. This is a checkmate. Yes.
Sir, I was playing with computer. No, we both have one ring, and then it showed draw. Out
Then it showed what? What it showed?
draw.
Draw.
Yeah.
So there must
Both
not be a
of
good
Huh?
ड्रॉ कम से कम 5 अलग अलग तरीके से होता है ड्रॉ. आप लोगों को ड्रॉ मैंने समझा दिया है क्या? वो मैं देखता हूँ. अगर समझा नहीं दिया है तो नेक्स्ट सेशन विल बी आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ द ड्रॉ टेक्स प्लेस. ड्रॉ समझने के लिए आपको थोड़ा और सीखना चाहिए. आई विल ट्राई. मैं यहाँ पर लिख लेता हूँ व्हाट विल बी आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेशन एक्सप्लेनिंग अबाउट ड्रॉ.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
You remind
Thank you,
me.
sir.
You remind me about this. Yeah.